What's up, guys? AK with DCC Train. This is Atlas Classic RS1. I converted it with Loksound version 5 and Power Pack. Original Loksound file default, it's for the horn, actually whistle, using like steam whistle. You need to change it for that specific road name. So I'll show you next video how to do it. It's very easy. Just find out information about CVs. Also, you can change bell as well. So going to use Zephyr for testing, LMWI throttle server, and this is just my personal opinion. I really like it to use it for testing. This is ESU Mobile Control 2. So let's start the engine. Check the light. I like that sequence, how it's dimming when it's the starter working. Here we go. That's cool. Also, I adjusted acceleration and deceleration and using different profile for motor control. It's from German manufacturer Motors PIKO, like Pico, but it's like Pico anyway. So, and it turns very nice. Bell is very nice. Also, I didn't change it, and this is Wapcom. Now I'm going to like crank the throttle, and you will see it's not gonna start crazy. So acceleration and deceleration adjusted. And if it's too much, can be easily readjusted. CV3 and CV4. ESU definitely updated that file. I think it's from 2021. I have set up in that throttle so I can change direction when it's moving. It's a part of engine driver, the free app for the GMRI, for Android actually. There we go. Yeah, that squeaking noise is really nice. Now I'm cranking throttle again, like maximum. That's really cool. All right, then with F8, I'm shutting the diesel. Thanks for watching Supporting Business. If you'd like support DCC Train channel, please join membership. Thanks again and have a good one. Bye bye.